Good morning students. Welcome to online class. In the last class exercise 1.1 completed. Today we will start exercise 1.2. Very first problem in exercise 1.2 is copy problem number 1 in exercise 1.2. Write down the problem first. What is the problem? Classify the following numbers as rational numbers or irrational numbers. Classify the following numbers as rational numbers or irrational numbers. What is the first one? Root 27. Second one, root 441. Third one, 30.2323423445 so on. Fourth one, 7.484848 so on. Fifth one, 11.2132435465. Last one, 0.3030030003 so on. So very first problem is we have to decide which one is rational number, which one is irrational number. In generally, what is rational number? Root exists. What is irrational number? Root not exist. Simple. Root exists, it is known as rational number. Root not exists, it is known as irrational number. You know one important point I told you in previous classes, the decimal representation of rational numbers is either terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal. So terminating decimal, it is rational number. Non-terminating decimal, non-terminating repeating decimal, it is rational number. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimal, it is irrational number. So remember those points. First point is terminating decimal means rational number. Remember. Second point is non-terminating repeating decimal means it is rational number. Third point is non-terminating non-repeating decimal means irrational number. So if it is terminating decimal, it is rational number. If it is non-terminating repeating decimal, it is rational number. If it is non-terminating non-repeating decimal, it is irrational number. So see the first one, root 27. I told you already one simple point. Root exists, rational number. Root not exist, irrational number. See the first problem, root 27. So what is root 27? Rational number or irrational number? See the first problem, root 27. How to write 27? Root 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27. You know one property, root a into b equal to root a into root b. Root a into b equal to root a into root b. So root 9 into root 3. Root 9 into root 3. Then tell me, root 9 how much? Root 9 how much? 3. Root 3. Root 9 how much? 3. Remaining root 3. You know what is root 3? What is root 3? Irrational number. What is root 3? Irrational number. What is 3? Rational number. 3 is rational number. Root 3 is irrational number. Product 3 into root 3. It is, what is that? It is irrational number. So, first one is irrational number. What is the first one? Irrational number. Why it is irrational number? Because root 3 is what? Irrational number. 3 is what? Rational number. 3 into root 3 is what? Irrational number. So when root 3 is there, it is known as irrational number. Second one, root 441. Root to 441. Do the rough work. 441. Note down which table? 441 which table? 3 table. 441 3 table, 1 time, 1 3s are 3, remainder 1, next number 4, how many times? Tell me how many times? 4 3s are 12, out of 14, 12 completed, remainder 2, next number 1, 21, how many times? 7 times. So 3 table how many times? 147 times. Then again 3 table. How many times? 3 table how many times? 49 times. 3 table how many times? 49 times. 49 threes are 147. Then what we get? Which table? 7 table. 7 sevens are 49. So what we get? Root 441 equal to 3 how many times? 2 times, means it is square. 7 how many times? 2 times, it is square. Root 3 square into 7 square. Separate root, or we can write. How to write it? 3 into 7 whole square. 3 into 7 whole square. You know, square root cancel. What we get? 21. What is 21? 21 is a rational number. Rational number. See this one again. 441. I want to verify it is rational number or irrational number. Which table first? Start with 3 table. How many times? 147 times. Again which table? 3 table. How many times? 49 times. Again which table? 7 table. How many times? 7 times. What we get? Root 441 equal to 3 how many times? 3 2 times. 3 square. 7 how many times? 7 2 times. 7 square. So totally what we get? 3 into 7 whole square. How to write 3 square into 7 square? 3 into 7 whole square. Square root cancel. 3 sevens are 21. It is rational number. Third one. What is the third one? Third one is what? 30.23234234 so on. Tell me what is that? Is there any numbers repeating continuously? Suppose see this. This is 2 3. This is 2 3. But what is here? 4 2. So no numbers repeating continuously. So what is that? There is no ending. First one, non-terminating. It is what? First property, it is non-terminating because there is no ending. You know the reason. So on means it is non-terminating. Second one, there is no continuous repetition. There is no continuous repetition. So no repetition. No repetition. Condition 1, non-terminating means there is no ending. Second one, no repetition. Okay na? So first one, non-terminating. Second one, no repetition means it is non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. What is that? Non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. What is this? It is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. It is what? Non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. They are nothing but, you know, what we call them? Irrational number. It is what? Irrational number. Two properties are there. First one is non-terminating. There is no ending. It is going on. There is no ending. Second one, there is no repetition. no ending, no repetition means non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. They are known as irrational numbers. Note down 3 first. Fourth one is 7.484848 so on. Observe it clearly. Clearly observe it. What is that? First one. What is the first condition? What is the first observation? There is no ending. No ending. So, there is no ending. Write your observations. There is no ending. Means non-terminating. There is no ending means non-terminating. But here, how to write it? 7.48 bar. 48 is repeating. 48, 48, 48. It is repeating. Second one, repeating. First one, non-terminating. Second one, repeating. Read together. Together it is non-terminating, repeating decimal. Non-terminating, repeating decimal. So you know what is non-terminating, repeating decimal? It is rational number. Rational number. So 48 is repeating, but there is no ending. There is no ending means non-terminating. Number 2, 48 is repeating. Okay na? So 48 bar, 48 is repeating. Second property, repeating. Read together, it is non-terminating, repeating decimal. So what is that? Rational number. So fourth one is rational number. Fifth one. Fifth one is what? 11.2132435465. You know, first property. What is the first property? It is, there is ending. Terminating. What is that? Terminating. There is ending. So it is terminating. You know, we can write terminating decimal in the form of P by Q. We can write terminating decimal in P by Q form. We can write terminating decimal in P by Q form. Therefore, it is rational number. Therefore, it is rational number. So, fourth one is non-terminating, repeating decimal. It is rational number. Fifth one is terminating decimal. We can write terminating decimal in the form of P by Q. So, it is rational number. Sixth one is what? 0.303 003 0003 so on. What is your observation? First observation, it is non-terminating. First observation, non-terminating. Second observation, what is your second observation? Non-repeating. Non-repeating. So, two observations. First one is non-terminating. Second one is non-repeating. Read together. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. So, non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. They are known as irrational numbers. Therefore, it is irrational number. Therefore, it is irrational number. That is about problem number 1 in 1.2. Third one is what? Condition 1, there is no ending. Condition 2, there is repeating. Read together. Non-terminating repeating decimal. It is known as rational number. Then fifth one is what? Terminating. There is ending. There is ending. So it is terminating. We can write terminating decimal in the form of P by Q. So it is what? Rational number. Last one is what? First observation. Non-terminating. Second observation. Non-repeating. Read together. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimals are known as irrational numbers. Therefore, last one is irrational number. Note down. Copy. 4, 5, 6 sums in first Roman. Write down second problem. Explain with example how irrational numbers differ from rational numbers. Read the question, read the problem clearly. Explain with example. Through example, explain how irrational numbers are differ from rational numbers. Okay, now write down problem number 2 neatly. Explain with example how irrational numbers differ from rational numbers. Okay, now that means write the definition of rational numbers with example. Write the definition of irrational numbers with example. There ends the problem. Simple meaning. First one, rational numbers. Keep heading. Rational numbers. Side heading. Write the definition of rational numbers. What is the definition of rational numbers? The numbers which are in the form of P by Q. Q not equal to 0 and P comma Q belongs to Z integers are known as rational numbers. Write the definition. The numbers which are in the form of P by Q, small p by small q, only small letters. The numbers which are in the form of P by Q, what is the condition? Q not equal to 0. Without that, your definition is wrong. So there should be Q not equal to 0. And P comma Q belongs to Z. Z for integers. What is Z? Integers. This symbol is known as belongs to. Small p comma small q belongs to Z integers are known as rational numbers. Write down the definition. The numbers which are in the form of P by Q, Q not equal to 0 and P comma Q belongs to Z. P comma Q belongs to integers. Z for integers are known as rational numbers. Example. Write down examples. 1 by 2. Already I told you in introduction. 1 by 2 is a terminating decimal. We can write in the form of P by Q. 2 by 3. We did already 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is a non-terminating repeating decimal. We can write in the form of P by Q. 3 by 5. Third one, 3 by 5. So on. So write some examples. So 1 by 2 is a rational number. 2 by 3 is a rational number. 3 by 5 is a rational number. Then what is irrational number? What is irrational number? Write down the definition of irrational number. What is the definition of irrational number? The numbers which are not in the form of P by Q. The numbers which are not in the form of P by Q. The numbers which are not in the form of P by Q are known as irrational numbers. The numbers which are not in the form of P by Q are known as irrational numbers. Example, root 2, root 3, root 5, pi, so on. They are irrational numbers. 1 by 2 is rational number but not irrational. 2 by 3 is what? Rational number but not irrational. 3 by 5 is what? Rational number but not irrational. What about root 2? Irrational but not rational. What is root 3? Irrational but not rational. What is root 5? Irrational but not rational. What is pi? Irrational but not rational. Write down first. Rational number definition, examples. Irrational numbers definition, example. Write down. Object. Write down third problem. Find an irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. Second question. How many more there may be? Third question write down. At the third question, find an irrational number, one irrational number. Find an irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. That is question number 1 in third one. One more question is there. How many more there may be? You have to find out. Solution. Write down solution. First, what is the first one? 5 by 7. Let A equal to 5 by 7. Do division, you get non-terminating repeating decimal. What you get? Non-terminating repeating decimal. It is rational number. What is this? It is rational number. Divide 5 with 7. There is clarification for you. How it is rational number. So 5 by 7 is a rational number. B. What is B value? 7 by 9. It is also rational number. First one 5 by 7. It is a rational number. Through division it is clear to you. Why it is rational number? Because it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Divide 5 with 7. You get rational number. B value also. What is B value? 7 by 9. It is rational number. There is one important point to find out irrational number. There is one important point. What is that point? If A and B are any two positive, write down, any two positive rational numbers, and AB is not a perfect square, then root AB is one of the irrational number lies between A and B. So very important point about irrational numbers. This is the point about irrational numbers. If A and B are any two positive rational numbers and AB is not a perfect square, then what is root AB? Root AB is one of the irrational number. I told you already. What is A plus B by 2? A plus B by 2 is what? A plus B by 2 is rational number. You know it, mean method. What is root AB? Irrational number. Write down everything. What is a plus b by 2? Rational number according to mean method. What is root AB? Irrational number. Write down this point clearly. Very important point about irrational numbers. If a and b are any two positive rational numbers and a into b, AB is not a perfect square, then what is root AB? Irrational number. What is a plus b by 2? Rational number. What is root AB? Irrational number. Then find out root AB. Root AB. Root. What is a value? 5 by 7. Into what is b value? 7 by 9. A value 5 by 7. B value 7 by 9. 7 cancel. What we get? Root 5 by 9. What we get? Root 5 by 9. Separate root. Root 5 by root 9. Root 5 we don't know. Root 9 how much? 3. What is root 5? Irrational number. What is root 5 by 3? It is also irrational number. It is also irrational number. So we have to find out only one irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. A value 5 by 7. It is rational number. Through division it is clear to you. What is b value? 7 by 9. It is rational number. What is the point about irrational number? If a and b are very important point, any two positive rational numbers and AB is not a perfect square, then root AB is one of the irrational number lies between A and B. What is A plus B by 2? Rational number, mean method. What is root AB? Irrational number. So find out root AB. Root, what is A value? 5 by 7 into what is B value? 7 by 9. 7 cancel. What we get? Root 5 by 9. Means root 5 by root 9. Root 5 by root 9 how much? 3. What is root 5? Irrational number. So what is the answer? Root 5 by 3. Like that, how many are there? There are infinite irrational numbers. Between any two rational numbers. So there are, how many are there? Infinite irrational numbers between any two rational numbers. HW for tomorrow, again do 1, 2, 3 sums. Thank you, students.